Here's a detailed, side-by-side comparison of whole eggs versus egg whites in terms of protein quality, muscle building potential, and overall nutritional impact. Protein content and quality. Both whole eggs and egg whites are excellent sources of high-quality, complete protein. Egg whites are almost pure protein, providing about 3 to 4 grams of protein per egg white with virtually no fat or carbohydrates. Whole eggs, on the other hand, contain about 6 to 7 grams of protein per egg, but also provide fats, including healthy unsaturated fats and some saturated fats. When comparing the quality of the protein, both the white and the yolk contain all 9 essential amino acids, which are crucial for muscle repair and growth. However, the yolk enhances the muscle building effect because it offers additional nutrients that support protein synthesis and recovery. Muscle building impact. Interestingly, scientific studies show that whole eggs are more effective for muscle growth than egg whites alone. This is not just because of the protein content but because the yolk contains key nutrients like healthy fats, vitamins A, D, E, K, B12, minerals, iron, phosphorus, and choline, which all play roles in anabolic, muscle-building processes. A notable study from 2017 published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition compared the muscle protein synthesis rates after resistance training when subjects consumed whole eggs versus the same amount of protein from egg whites. The result, the group that ate whole eggs had significantly higher muscle protein synthesis despite identical protein doses. This suggests that the yolk provides synergistic nutrients that amplify the muscle-building response. Calorie and fat considerations. Egg whites are virtually fat-free and very low in calories, about 15 to 20 calories per egg white. Whole eggs, by contrast, have about 70 calories each, with around 5 grams of fat per egg. Not all fat is the enemy. In fact, some fats are super important because they give us essential fatty acids and cholesterol, which help make hormones like testosterone. And guess what? Testosterone is key for building muscle. If you are trying to cut down on calories or get lean while preserving muscle, egg whites can help you increase protein intake without adding extra fats or calories. But if you're focused on maximizing muscle growth, whole eggs offer a more complete anabolic package. Micronutrient differences. Egg yolks are packed with nutrients that egg whites simply don't have. The yolk contains vitamins A, D, E, K, B12, riboflavin, folate and minerals, iron, phosphorus, selenium, zinc and healthy fats, including omega-3s if the eggs are pasture-raised. Choline, important for brain health and muscle function. Egg whites are mostly just protein with minimal micronutrient content. If you eat only egg whites and exclude yolks entirely, you miss out on these valuable nutrients that indirectly support muscle repair, hormone balance, and overall health. Hormonal support. Whole eggs can positively impact hormone production due to their cholesterol content. Cholesterol is a precursor for steroid hormones, including testosterone, which plays a key role in muscle growth and recovery. Eating dietary cholesterol from sources like eggs has been shown to support healthy testosterone levels in some studies, especially in active individuals. Egg whites, lacking fat and cholesterol, won't provide this hormonal benefit. Practical recommendation. For most people focused on building muscle, whole eggs are the better option because they not only provide high-quality protein but also essential fats, vitamins, and minerals that enhance muscle-building pathways. However, if you're on a strict calorie deficit or need to control fat intake, egg whites can be a valuable addition to help you hit high-protein targets without going over your caloric limit. In fact, many athletes use a combination, a couple of whole eggs plus additional egg whites to balance calories, protein, and nutrients. In summary, whole eggs are superior for muscle building due to the synergistic effects of protein, fats, and micronutrients. Egg whites are a low-calorie, pure protein option but are less effective for muscle synthesis on their own. Best practice: mix whole eggs with egg whites to maximize protein intake while managing calories if needed. Thank you for watching.